Booster whips here. We're gonna be installing the rear camber arms. This is by SPC. We're also here at Asian Motors getting this done. This is to correct all the negative camber on the back. Alright, we're raising the car up to get this started. A lot of activity here at Asian Motors. As you guys can see, I've been having uneven thread wear on the inside. This is where the camber arms comes into play. Alright guys, so here's the other side. The space is really restricted here, so it's a pain to get these on here. So it's a little bit time consuming. But we're in the hands of the best, Asian Motors. So finalizing the install. As you can see, it's very restricted. But this is the other side. One side is already done. And this basically helps, you know, get rid of that negative camber. My wheels are actually a little way too tilted on the rear, causing uneven threads on the inner side. So this should help, and it should fix this issue with an alignment, and these arms allow it to go that extra step to get rid of that negative camber. I'm gonna finalize the install. Then I'm gonna have to do an alignment, and that is it. So I'll show you guys how everything looks right at the end. But basically this is it. He pre-adjusted it to make it look even. Maybe they might need another more adjustment once I get the alignment. We'll see. I don't know how far I am, but visually you can see that it's very drastic. So I think this will fix that issue. Anyways guys, I'll keep you guys updated, and we'll take it from there. Alright guys, the SPC camber kit is installed. I did not have time to go ahead and align the car and see where it is, but Asian Motors did adjust it a little bit, about 1 degree. So it looks just a little bit great. Doesn't look as camber with negative. Again, this is just by, you know, just by doing it. We don't know how bad is it, but this is great. With the SPC, you're able to adjust, you know, if you really want to get that negative camber. I know a guy that's doing -5 camber, and the car looks great, but not that kind of guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it all positive so it lines up. So hopefully within the next couple weeks I'm gonna get the alignment done, and we'll see the results of what we had before and after. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, boost the whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.